How do? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Protaras, which to me and you is Protaras. So I've come for a walk this morning. So we're going to have a walk down the boardwalk, the new boardwalk that they've built here in Protaras. And we'll have a look at the beaches and the hotels, and we'll go from Fig Tree Bay to the pier. So if you want to come with me and see what this place has got, come on, let's go. So here we are in Fig Tree Bay in Protaras. Nice little Instagram spot. Right, we'll go and make us way to boardwalk, and we'll have a walk to the other end there somewhere. So as you can see, this is the new boardwalk they've built here in Protaras. Plenty of steps into the sea. And look how clear that water looks. Beautiful. You see we've got loads of hotels across here. It's like I said, plenty of people in the sea today. It's a hot one. Although I did wake up this morning and it was cloudy, but that's soon burnt off and I'm sweating now. So this one's the Tui Blue. And then coming up next, we have the 5-star King Jason. Now this hotel is absolutely gorgeous. Let's look at this. Look at the pads on them sunbeds. Wow. As you can see, loads of boats waiting to take people out. And the start of Fig Tree Bay Beach. And it's rammed, as always. Now this beach is named after all the fig trees that were around here. Oh, look at this. That's quite cool, isn't it? Yeah, like I was saying, we're named after all the fig trees that used to surround the beach, which have all gone now, apart from one apparently, and I don't know where it is, so it's not obviously easily seeable. Fig Bee Tray Restaurant with another one of them signs. Seem to be all them. Got a cool bar here, the Capo Bay Hotel. Some more nice areas in that hotel. It's quite spread out. You see the little island off Fig Tree Beach. You can swim out to it. You see the people swimming out. This is where we are at the minute. We're going to walk all the way over to the pier. And here we've got the obligatory I love Protaras sign. Alright, now we have to walk up a little bit. Got some public toilets there in front of the Capo Bay. And then we follow this path. You can see out there we've got a floating slide and trampoline and stuff. We'll carry on walking. massage place by the sea. Could do without on my calves. Got a little play area here for the kiddies. And a volleyball court. And over there we've got the Silver Sands Beach Hotel. One of the Sokos chain hotels there. There's plenty of these benches about as well if you want to have a sit down in shade. And now we're at Vissy Beach with the Stefanos Water Sports. He's highly recommended apparently. If you want to do any of your jet skiing, you can hire a boat from here, paddle boarding, also does all sorts. This is the Silver Sands here. And like I said, this is Vissy Beach. Lovely sand. So the paragliding or parasailing up there, whatever you want to call it. A lot of people in the sea here. It is warm here. We're in the higher 30s, so everybody's in the sea cooling down. And the beaches just carry on. So as we get to this part, it's just hotels on the left and obviously the beach on the right. It's on lots of different hotels and they all look lovely. We'll keep walking down this boardwalk. Oh, I'll tell you what, that sun's gone behind a cloud and it's beautiful. Stay there, son, stay there. Another hotel here, a different one. And the lifeguard lookout hut. Yeah, there's quite a few of these strewn down this beach. Smoothies, coconuts, freshly made orange juice. So now we have the Vissy Beach Hotel. More padded sunbeds, a little more crammed in on there. They've got a Costa coffee. Plenty of people laid on sunbeds. And plenty of people on the beach. And in the sea. Down here as well. And here now we have Constantinos the Great Hotel. That looks a nice one. Very nice. And there's the beach in front of the Constantinos the Great. Nice little beach bar here. Sure it said Coley. It's nice and cool in there, doesn't it? And now you've got Flamingo Paradise, I think it's called, this one. Nice beds. Sun Prime Hotel up there. and the Vissy Beach next door to it. Another one of them huts, look. We have the Bikini Beach bar. Please wait to be seated. I think you'll get a seat today, guys. What do you think? The Vissy Beach. So as you can see the pier over there. So we're coming to the end of the boardwalk. Some more bars here. It's quite a nice bar. The Yana Marie. Get your milkshakes. So yeah, so that's Vissy Beach. Right, let's walk around to this pier and finish this video. What a nice looking bar over there. What fans going, what I could do for a fan. Yeah, it's a little quieter this end of the beach, but still lovely. You book all your boat trips there. So the Evelina Beach and the Protaras Pier is the walk completed. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. It's been a hot one today, but yeah, it's a lovely walk that. So like I say, it's a new boardwalk that they've built, and it's very nice. It's very busy though. It is very busy on there. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for coming with me. Please do like and subscribe down below. I've got a lot more content coming from Cyprus. So thanks again for coming, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.